Hello guys, we want to teach you how you can achieve this pattern like this. So first of all, let's go straight to the point. Create a rectangle or a square, let's say a square. Then from here, you select your ellipse tool here and can create. Let's move this. Now we have done one side. Press P on your keyboard to centralize like this. Then select this ellipse and press P. It comes to the middle of this. Then let's readjust like this. Let's make it smaller, and then from here you press shift on your keyboard, drag it and then right click, and you pick it again, you drag, click, you right click again, you pick again, right click, you pick again, you right click, you drag to the end, right click, and then last but not the least, you right click at this juncture like this. This is a gradual process. We'll have another process which I'll teach you later in the class. Then from here, just go straight to, this is the interactive to click at the arrow next to it down here, and then click on Smart Fill here. Then come and click in between, leave the space in between, click the outside, leave the space in between, click the outside like this. Undo that, click this, click outside. We'll leave this and use this. And then our tactics is to have space in between. We'll leave this one, click outside. Then from here, delete the cycles, delete the ellipse simultaneously. Let's delete it, we'll delete. Then select all and then remove the default outline, and then you successfully have a pattern like this similar to that. And if you love this video, and then endeavor to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you, and subscribe for more.